It is not about how big or elegant your costume is. It is how you give life on what you're wearing for tonight's competition. I am proud to be wear this national costume from the Aisa community all the way from Zambales, Pilipinas. I am not a summa cum laude. I am not a magna cum laude. But I am proud to say to you that I am a second-year college student from Our Lady of Fatima University, Valenzuela branch, taking a course of Bachelor in Science, Tourism, and Management. Many have been part of history, but the only beauty can bend history itself. And tonight, in this respectable and public display, we gave bend history, and that is our story. Hi, hello, nabuhay, Residencia Regina. Wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang sigawan dyan? Wala ho ba binatang single dyan? Salamat po. I am Miss Carla Castro, all the way from the City of Star, Nogaliches, Quezon City. Yes, I already said that I am a student, and I am a proud working student. Nagtatrabaho sa umaga, estudyante sa tanghali, at kontesera sa gabi. Kaya't sa mga iilang katulad ko na narito, magbunyi tayo. Huwag kang malulungkot, maging masaya ka dahil ang katulad mo ay nakaka-proud.